Machu Picchu, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Machu Picchu, also known as the Lost City of the Incas, is an ancient Incan settlement located in the eastern Cordillera of southern Peru, on a mountain ridge above the Urubamba Valley. It is renowned for its sophisticated dry stone construction that beautifully fits huge blocks of stone together without the use of mortar, its architectural innovations, and its picturesque location. The site was most likely built in the 15th century under the reign of Pachacuti, the 9th Inca Emperor, and was occupied for about a century before being abandoned following the Spanish Conquest. Its existence was unknown outside the Inca world until American historian Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention in 1911. Machu Picchu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most iconic symbols of the Inca civilization. It is also one of the most visited tourist attractions in Peru, with thousands of visitors coming each year to marvel at its beauty and historical significance. The site is believed to have served as an estate for the Inca Emperor, a sacred religious center, and a possible astronomical observatory. The architecture of Machu Picchu includes approximately 140 buildings, ranging from simple houses and storehouses to the Temple of the Sun with its large Intihuatana stone, which is thought to have been an astronomical tool. The site also features an extensive network of terraces that were cut into the mountainside to create level spaces for construction and agriculture. The preservation of Machu Picchu and the management of tourism there have been subjects of concern due to the potential for environmental damage and the strain on the site's delicate structures. Efforts have been made to limit the number of visitors and to ensure that the site remains accessible for future generations to appreciate its historical and cultural value. Machu Picchu, an ancient Inca settlement built in the mid-15th century, is situated on a rocky elevation between the Huayna Picchu and Machu Picchu mountains in Peru. It is located about 130 kilometers from Cusco, the closest significant city. Recognized as one of the world's greatest treasures, Machu Picchu is an exceptionally well-preserved 15th-century citadel with significant sacred importance. It is nestled high in the Andes Mountains above the Peruvian Sacred Valley and exemplifies the classic Incan style of architecture. Initially thought to be constructed in the early 1400s as a palace and temple complex for Emperor Pachacuti, recent studies suggest it may have been occupied from around 1420 to 1530 AD. Despite its abandonment before the mid-16th century, the site is remarkably intact, showcasing over 150 buildings including baths, houses, temples, and sanctuaries. The location of Machu Picchu remained a mystery to the general public for many years, earning it the nickname Lost City. Local residents knew of its existence, but it was not until American explorer Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention in 1911 that it gained worldwide recognition. Machu Picchu holds spiritual significance, believed to be a royal estate and religious sanctuary for the Inca emperors and nobles. Its remote and secretive location, combined with its architectural grandeur, makes it a symbol of Inca ingenuity and spiritual devotion. The site, at an elevation of 2,430 meters, 7,972 feet, also served as an astronomical observatory, with features like the Intihuatana stone that accurately indicates the equinoxes. Today, Machu Picchu is a protected historical site and a major tourist attraction, renowned for its breathtaking views and cultural heritage. However, the influx of visitors has raised concerns about the preservation of this iconic landmark, which remains a testament to the Inca civilization's remarkable achievements.